Hello guys, this is God's Power again today. I'm here because I want to show you how you can upload your video on YouTube. So if you want to upload your video on YouTube, or if you want to learn how you can upload your video on YouTube, I will show you step by step. All I just want you to do is to watch this video and learn how you can upload your video on YouTube. I will show you how you can upload your video from your smartphone and from your computer. So it's very simple. It's very simple. Just follow my footsteps and you will now start uploading your video on YouTube in a very simple way. So guys, I'm showing you how you can upload your videos on YouTube. If you want to upload video on YouTube and you don't know how to, this is how you can do it. It's very simple. So what you need to do is to click on this plus icon. You can see at the top of the top menu of your home page on your YouTube, you can see this section. Click on it. Once you click on that section, you will see upload, go live, and create post. So we click on upload video. So once you click on upload video, it's going to pop up this screen that you can see here. So once you pop up this screen that you can see here, click on select file. Once you click on select file, go to where you uploaded that file you want to upload. Let me say I click on download. So this is the video I want to upload. I'll click on this video and I'll click on open. So it's going to open the video for us. It's uploading the video now. So on this session, it's going to ask you the title of your video. So you can come here, you can set like how to upload videos. Just a very simple. This is, for example, for the purpose of this video. So I'll just put how to upload video, and this is the title. And in the description, make sure you add the title in the description. Like you can write, learn how to upload video. Learn how to upload video on YouTube. Learn how to upload video on YouTube step by step, and you can copy the title of that the title of your video, put it below how to learn how to upload your video on YouTube. So once you are done with that, you are fixing the title and the description, then you can scroll down the thumbnail, which is what is very important. Click on the thumbnail if you don't have a thumbnail. If you want to create a thumbnail on Canva, there's a link in the description that will show you that will take you to Canva. If you want, the link will be in the description. It will be the first link. Just click on that link to create your account on Canva and start using Canva to create a very nice thumbnail image like this. So I'm going to upload my thumbnail. I'll click on thumbnail and I will go to where I have my thumbnail image, which is download, and this is my thumbnail image. I'll click on this and I'll click on open. So once I click on open, this will be my thumbnail image. And once I'm good with my thumbnail image, I can scroll down here. Make sure you have create a playlist. If you don't know how to create a playlist, just click on this section and you click on new playlist, and you can enter like a video. Let us say video will be the name of this our video will be the name of this our playlist. I'll just enter video and I will click on you can select if you want it private, on list, or public. I'll leave it as public and click on create. So once we are okay with that, and I'll click on done. So once I click on done, that is it. And this section is asking if your video is made for kids or for adults. So you can say yes, it's made for kids. No, it's not made for kids. I'll click on no, it's not made for kids. If you click on advanced, it will show you more options if you want to restrict this video from viewers over the age of 18. That is if you want to do that. I recommend you to leave it just the way it is. And you just scroll down here. If your video is a paid promotional, you say if you accept anything of volume from third party, etc., like paid partnership. If you are doing that on this your video, you can follow the instruction and just be honest about YouTube. Just be honest to YouTube. On the tag section, you can enter multiple tags here, like how to upload your video, how to get more views on YouTube, all those kind of things. Just enter a bunch of things or that you said on that your video in the tag section. So just scroll down here. On this section, you can select the language you speak on that your video. Click on language. So once you click on language, you can select the language that you speak on that your video. Can be Arabic, can be English, can be French. Just select the language. So once you are done, you can scroll down and you can see your video style, which is the category. Your video category might be how to. You can see my video category is how to style. And on this section, you say comment and rate. So this section is where you allow people to rate you and comment. So we put this session YouTube put it as it put it in default as a hold inappropriate comment, which is comment that has spam. Yes, comment that has spam, that can spam people or make people to fall a victim of scamming stuff and all those things. I think everything is okay by me on this way. So once we are done with that, if your channel is monetized, you can click on monetization and you can come here and you can on your monetization. You can select how you want to display ad on that your video. So that is, if you want to do that here, you can just see a bunch of way on how you can like show ad on your video. So if you click on this section here, say video elements. On this section, you can add end screen to your video. If I click on end screen here, this subtitle, if you want to add multiple language, you can do that. Click on this section, you can go and add that. And on this section, if you want to add an end screen on your video, you can click on this section to say add. Click on that section. So once you click on it, it will open up. This is an end screen. This is how end screen look like. So because my video is a short video, you will not find, it will not display end screen, but normally you will have an end screen here where you will be able to add some element and other things you want to add on your video. Let me say you want to add any video, we can just click on this section and you can click on it here and you can come down to select the video you want to add. Let me say okay. If to open now, I will just select any video here and this is what is going to be displaying here. If I want to add multiple video, I will just click on the plus icon. I will click on plus, it will display another video. I will just drag it down and that is how you can add more screen. But if let's say this your video is a full screen video, which is I think is a 1080 by 720. I think 1080 by 720. The screen will be big, so you'll be able to add and customize everything just like you want. So let me say we are okay with it. We just click on save. So now that we have added our end screen, so that is how you can add an end screen to your video. And if you want to add cards, if you want to add cards to your video, click on this section and add cards. You can just add card is when you try to link a link or a website or a channel to your video. Let me say I want to link a video. I'll just click on this section and I can link any video to that particular part. I'm talking about a particular video on my channel. I can just click on that video and it will be linked to that particular thing I'm talking about on that session. Why I'm talking, it will pop up why people are watching my video. If you see that sometimes on videos, so that is what you can do. So once you are done with that, you can come to checker. If you click on checker here, YouTube will tell you that okay, they have checked your video and is okay, there's no error found, there's no copyright found. YouTube will tell you. So in this session, YouTube is telling you add suitability. Ad suitability is when YouTube will run check on your video to see if your video is allowed to display ad or not. So this session, this visibility is when you want to publish it. So on this session, you can just come to this session here and say okay, if you want to save the video or put it in private, you can click on this session. If you want to put the video in private, the video will be in private. It's a particular people you choose that will be viewing this video. So on this session, you can put it in on list if you want. You can put it in on list here. YouTube will review it to tell you if your video is allowed to monetize or not. And on this session where you say public, if you click on public here, so this is where you can publish your video. So if you put it on public, everyone can watch this your video. So once you are okay with that, you just click on publish. So our video will be live. So that is how you can upload your video on YouTube. Once you click on publish, your video will be live. And that is all you just have to do. What I recommend, once you are done uploading your video, just leave it on this session at least, let me say 30 minutes, just for YouTube to verify your video and check your video very well. So once everything is done, after 30 minutes, you come and click publish. That is what I recommend. If you have uploaded your video to this session, just wait at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, click on publish. So you want to upload your video on YouTube on your smartphone. So how you can do that, you see this plus icon, click on the plus icon and you will see upload. Click on upload. So here you will find the video you want to upload. So here you are going to select the video you want to upload. So what you need to do, I will click on the video I want to upload. This is the video. I will click on next. I will click on next. So it's going to take us here again. I will click on next again and it's going to bring us here. So here we are going to set up the title. I'm going to set the title now. So I have set up the title. Here I'm going to click on make sure it's on public. So if I want to put it on list, so it will be on list. It will just be only me that will be seeing it. I can click on private And yeah, just choose anything here. It will be just like, it's only in public, that is where everyone can view it. If you put it on public, when you click on post, it's going to upload. It's going to upload gradually. When it's done uploading, YouTube is going to process it and cross-check everything with their software, with their tools, to make sure that you follow their guide. And after that, your video will be live. So I will go back and I will click on this section where it says select audience. You can click here if you want to do this. So see this section, you need to make sure you select it if your video is a video that children can watch. You say yes, this video is made for kids. So if your video is made for kids or is not made for kids, you can click on no. My video is not made for kid. I will click on no, it's not made for kid. I will click on back again. I will click on this section where it says upload short. I will click on upload short. And the video is uploading now. You can see it on this bar here. So if you scroll down here, this will be the video. So if I click on this section, you'll see the video is uploading here. So that is how you can upload your video on YouTube. In some minutes, you will find out that the video have been uploaded. As you can see, it's processing the video. You can see it. So our video is now ready to watch. So our video is now live. And if I click on this section here, you see this is the video we just made. So this is the video we just made, and that is how you can upload your video on YouTube from your smartphone.